So this is a little video, a bit different of a behind the scenes sort of thing. So you guys see this on stream, a little display stand with some of my animals that are in stock. And then when you order on the TikTok live stream, we will put your order in a totally official yellow TikTok basket. It's 100% yellow and not a recycled box. Totally legit. Your animals will go in there, what you order. I will go on my stream and pick your order live, depending on what animal you have picked from these boxes. Of course, there are other things as well in progress. Over there on the printers. Shh, they'll be on the shop soon once I've done. I'll write your name on a little personalised card. Now, I am aware some people have said that this QR code doesn't work anymore. I need to update the business cards, but the fact that I've got about 50 of these still left, I might as well use them first. So ignore the QR code, but it's just a little thank you. I put your order into a little bin, like this, a little tray, so we know what's going with what. I make sure that every order, I try my best to get a free poop. And what I do is I put these little poo in a little poo bag, and you get a free poo bag with your orders on the TikTok shop. I think it's quite a cool way to reuse some of the filament, and it's just a bit of a fun little joke that we have on TikTok. I get the important stickers that do, again, need upgrading because we have changed their logo slightly, but those are the OG stickers. Now, I just want to point out, these are a few of our orders. It doesn't matter if you order one item, two item, or loads of items. I appreciate every little order, so I really do appreciate it. So let's pack some of these. Because TikTok streams can go quite busy, I do have a little a sheet that I go through each order just to double check each order is correct. Now, I don't have a thermal printer yet, so I have A4 sticker sheets, and then I print the labels out. The labels print out on these little sticker sheets, and then I can just peel them off and stick them onto the parcels until I can buy a thermal printer. Once going through the orders and making sure everything's here, then it's time to put them in my little bubble mailers. I sometimes use boxes depending on what's getting sent and what items. If they survive a bubble mailer with some extra padding, then that's fine. If they need to go in bigger, and then if I got an even bigger order, we got bigger boxes. Sometimes we have small orders, and sometimes we have an absolutely ridiculous order like this. So let's get boxing. I try and reuse as many boxes as I can, so you might get some parcels arrive in filament boxes or random shape boxes. Obviously try and recycle where I can. Without showing the addresses, I stick a sticker on the parcels for you, so you know when you look at it whose it's from. It also, it looks pretty cool. And then they're ready to go to the post office and be posted. Of course, I'm not in any way, shape or form the best at doing this. This is just what I'm doing for now. If there's any tips you guys suggest I should get, things like a thermal printer, things that make things a little bit easier, by all means. I am a small business and I'm trying my best to do what I can with, so hope you enjoyed this video.